To install WordPress, we need a local server. For that, come to the Google and search for XAMPP. Open the first website. Here you can see it is available for different operating systems like Windows, Linux or OS X. So I am using Windows, so let me click on this one. So it will start downloading. After downloading, just click here and install this software on your computer. It's very simple. Simply click on the next and next button. This will be the file path. Select the language, next, next, and again click on the next button and it will install this setup on your computer. Now click on the finish. After that you will see this pop-up window. In this one you can see we have Apache and MySQL. So we need only these two. So in front of Apache, just click on the start button and also start this MySQL. So we need only Apache and MySQL to run WordPress.